In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import FBX files using the ReadGeo node and the FBX import panel. We'll start with the quick node-based approach, perfect when you want fast results with minimal fuss. In your node graph, press the tab key to open the search, type ReadGeo and hit enter. This drops a ReadGeo node into your workspace. With the node selected, look at its properties panel, click the folder icon, then browse to your .fbx file and select it. The moment you load the file, the node reads the FBX package and brings in the elements it contains. That can include geometry for meshes, as well as cameras, lights, and any animation data embedded in the file. This is great when you want a direct link to a single FBX and you're comfortable letting the node handle the essentials. It keeps things straightforward. And if the FBX includes animation, the timeline awareness carries through, so your scene elements move as expected. If you're previewing the result, remember the FBX scale depends on how the file was authored, so a quick look at how it sits in your scene can help you confirm it imported at the right size. Now, when you need more control over exactly what comes in, the FBX import panel is the better choice. Head to the top menu and go to File, then Import, then FBX. This opens a dedicated dialog designed for precision. Here, you can choose which elements to bring into your project. For example, you might import only cameras if you're matching a render, only lights if you're reconstructing illumination, or only meshes if you're building a 3D composite. This selective approach helps you avoid clutter and keeps your scene lean. The dialog also lets you set frame ranges, which is especially useful when the FBX contains animation that doesn't start at frame 1 or spans a specific shot duration. Aligning the import's frame range with your project ensures that keyframes play in sync with your timeline. You can also adjust scale options right here. That's important when FBX units differ from your project's units. Setting the scale appropriately helps your geometry, cameras, and lights line up with other scene elements without additional transforms. To recap, use ReadGeo when you want a fast, node-centric way to bring in an FBX as is. Use the FBX import panel when you want fine-grained control over what gets imported, along with the ability to configure frame ranges and scale. With these two approaches, you can move effortlessly between quick